Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will start chapter 3 of class 6. Before starting, I want to tell you that I have made many videos regarding this chapter and I have given the link in description box, so don't forget to see it. And the main things are also there. So let us start. Paheli and Boju has won a science quiz competition. They have won the prize money and they wanted to buy clothes for their parents. They have gone to market but got confused that which clothes should they buy. So shopkeeper also explained that some cottons or some clothes or fabrics were of cotton and some were synthetic. He had also woolen mufflers and shawls. There were many silk sarees as well. Paheli and Buju felt very excited. They touched and felt these different fabrics. Finally, they bought a woolen muffler and a cotton saree for their parents. After their visit to cloth shop, Paheli and Buju began to notice there are various types of fabrics in their surroundings. That they found bed sheets, blankets, curtains, tablecloths, towels, and dusters were made up of different types of fabrics. Even their school bags and gunny bags were also made from different types of fabric. They tried to identify that they are of cotton or wool, synthetic or silk. Can you also identify some fabrics? Tell me in the comment section. Let us see our activity 1. Visit a nearby tailoring shop. Collect cuttings of fabrics left over after stitching. आप अपने जो बगल में या फिर आसपास कोई टेलर शॉप हो तो उधर से जो कटिंग हो सकते हैं वो ले सकते हैं. एंड देन नाउ ट्राई टू लेबल सम ऑफ द फैब्रिक्स एज कॉटन, सिल्क, वूल. आप उसको कोई चिपका लीजिए या फिर अपने मन में बिठा लीजिए कि ये कॉटन है, वूल है और ये सिल्क है. ओके. नाउ एक्टिविटी 2. Select a piece of cotton fabric you labeled in activity 1. Now try to find a loose thread or yarn at the edges and pull it out. Now जो धागा हम जिसे बोलते हैं ना, हम उसको निकालने की कोशिश करेंगे. If no loose, you might have observed something similar when you try to thread a needle. Many a time the end of the thread is separated into few thin strands. This makes difficult to pass threads. Yeah, ये जब हम सुई में धागा डालते हैं तो वो भी तो yarn ही होता है. Yes, this we put that thread through our eye. The thin strands of thread that we see are made up of still thinner strands called fibers. Now what is fibers? Still thinner strands are called fibers. Fabrics are made up of yarns and further of fibers. Fabrics क्या होते हैं? जो क्लॉथ हमारा निकल के रेडी हो जाता है. And fabrics are made up of yarns and further made up of fibers. Where do these fibers come from? Such as cotton, jute and wool are obtained from plants and animals. These are known as natural fibers. On this I have made the video, so don't forget to see it. Cotton and jute are examples of fibers obtained from plants. Yes, what are the examples? Cotton and jute are examples of fibers obtained from plants. Wool and silk fibers are obtained from animals. जो हमारी वूल होती है वो कहाँ से आती है? हमारी sheep से. Yes, wool comes from sheep, and then the silk comes from silkworms. Silkworms. Yes, am I correct? Yes, silkworms. Now, wool is obtained from the fleece of sheep or goat. उनकी फ्लीस क्या होती है? चमड़ी, उनकी चमड़ी से हमारा निकलता है। इट इज़ ऑल्सो obtained फ्रॉम हेयर्स ऑफ rabbits, yak and camels. Silk fiber is drawn from the cocoon of silkworm. If you can see, the lifestyle of silkworms and cocoons are very very important for them. Yes. Now let us see our activity 3. Take out a yarn from piece of cotton fabric and then place that yarn on the table. Now press one end of the yarn with your thumb and scratch the other end. You need to take a thread like that, put a thumb on the one end and scratch from other end. Then do you find that this end the yarn spills up to strands? Yes. जब हम उसको खींचेंगे तो ऐसे ऐसे करके कुछ निकल आएगा, है ना। फिर नेक्स्ट वी हैव Puju has seen in the museums items like one shown here. Here you can see ये कवच टाइप होता है. Yes, it was worn in earlier times during the wars. He wants to know if these are made up of which kinds of fiber. ना उसे जानना है कि वो कौन से फाइबर से होता है. Substances which are not obtained from plants and animal sources, they are known as synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers क्या होते हैं? इस पर भी वीडियो बनाई थी, आपने देखा होगा, है ना. सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स होते हैं जो मिल्स में बनता है, फैक्ट्रीज में बनता है ह्यूमंस के द्वारा. ठीक है. उसके एग्जांपल्स क्या हैं? पॉलिएस्टर, नायलॉन एंड एक्रेलिक, एंड देयर आर मेनी मोर एग्जांपल्स ऑफ दैट. नाउ कॉटन. हैव यू एवर मेड wigs of oil lamps? If yes, write me in the comment section. This cotton wool is also used to filling mattress, quilts and pillows. जो हमारे गद्दे होते हैं, पिलोज होते हैं, उसके अंदर जो रुई रुई होती है ना, वो होती है हमारी कॉटन. The small thin strands that you see in the cotton fibers. Where does this cotton wool come from? It comes in the field. वो उगाई जाती हैं. Cotton plants are usually grown at the places of black soil and warm climate. Can you name some states of our country where cotton is grown? Write me in the comment section. The fruits of the cotton plant is called cotton bolls. Are about the size of lemon. Lemon की size का होता है. After maturing, the bolls burst and open. The seeds covered with cotton fibers can be seen. You can see here. ऐसे करके हमारा ऐसे कॉटन निकल के आ जाता है. अब रेस्ट ऑफ द चैप्टर हम किस में देखेंगे? पार्ट 2 में. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय.